Well, the coronavirus pandemic is a big part of what's fueling the mass protest in Cuba, and a lot of it has to do with leaders allowing unvaccinated tourists onto the island with no regard for the vulnerable at home who have little access to health care. Here's what the executive director of Center for a Free Cuba, based in Washington, D.C., told CBS 4's Hank Tester.
They've opened up travel from Russia. And the Russians that have been coming in to do tourism have been spreading COVID-19 and generating friction there among Cubans, with many Cubans taking to social media to denounce loved ones dying because of the lack of health care, but also because of the irresponsible step taken of having this huge amount of tourism from Russia with folks that are positive for COVID-19. So I think this is sort of a perfect scenario for a social explosion, and I think that's what we're seeing.
How can it sustain itself?
I think that the response of the regime, that's going to depend on what happens with the military. The regime has called out their troops to crush this uprising, and it's going to depend on whether they have the support of the military or if there are divisions in the military. We have to see how things develop over the next few hours. And obviously, we need to raise attention with the international community to let them know that the Cuban people are out in the streets demanding with very just demands. They're sick and tired of having their access to basic needs cut off, and at the same time that they're not allowing friends and relatives to travel in and out of the island to get them the things they need. They're bringing Russians in with dubious vaccinations, where there's a upsurge of COVID in Russia into Cuba, and that's killing people.
Meanwhile, Florida's U.S. Senator Marco Rubio also closely watching the situation, tweeting out videos and pictures from the protest. He's also calling out the Biden administration for their silence. Last night he tweeted, quote, "The people of Cuba bravely take to the streets against 62 years of socialist tyranny." 12 hours later, President Joe Biden has yet to say a word.
Mr. President, what's your reaction to the situation in Cuba, sir?
And that's President Biden returning to the White House last night after spending the weekend at his Delaware home. Despite several questions from a reporter, the president did not speak on the situation in Cuba. The State Department has also remained quiet on the protests.